Good morning, everybody. We are getting ready to head out to Nashville for Nashville Cars and Coffee. It is currently 6:24 a.m. and we are rolling out to meet up with a bunch of people to cruise down to Nashville. Should be a good time. So let's get this party started. Alright, we're all filled up on gas. We are going to be heading out to the first meetup spot. And then a couple of us are going to jump on the highway real quick, get off, and we're meeting a bunch of people at a exit off the highway at a gas station. Kind of like a median between where everybody's at. And then we're going to roll out from there.
I'll be there on 6. Hey, out here at 7.
What's up, man?
So we made it out, Cars and Coffee. It's a huge turnout. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of people here. It's ridiculous. I'd say a good 1,000 people. It's crazy. But good turnout, weather's holding out, overcast, so it's nice and cool. And yeah, so let's go look around. City sewer grate type stuff. This thing is awesome.
Is it chicken wings? You got a bell over the battery.
This thing's got carbon fiber everywhere. This thing's nasty.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was just looking at.
It's like they're like, I forget the name of the color, but I think they only made it on the 350.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, this is sick. Beautiful. Super clean, well done. It looks like. Give you guys a look here. How many people are here? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cars. I heard there's some supercars over here. Get a look at those. Oh my gosh. Porsche color, so nice. My favorite, one of my favorite cars right here. If I fell into a buttload of money, this would probably be the car I buy. I love the GT3 RS. So nice. My goodness. That color's so nasty, dude.
I love it.
Look at the roll cage.
I love Porsche, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Porsche will be my first kind of supercar.
So nice. That cage is so well done too.
See it in the year before.
Yep. Let's look, we got Ferrari over here, buddy.
It was one of the only ones.
Oh my god, look at this thing. Wow. That paint job is amazing. Man. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this thing. I'll tell you, some wild stuff here. Awesome. Look at all those cars. So nice.
those are awesome. That's so badass. So we left Cars and Coffee. We're cruising back towards home now. It's about a 45-50 minute drive from, you know, home to where the Cars and Coffee was. Had a blast, ton of cars, almost overwhelming to see so many. Like you're afraid you're gonna miss some, so you're like, you kind of get scattered looking around. But you know, there's a lot of really nice restored old cars. There's, you know, super modern stuff. You got exotics, you got, you know, American muscle. It's just so cool to see everyone together. I love big car shows like that. It's awesome. It's like Cars and Coffee on steroids. It's really like a giant car show. It's awesome. You got different clubs, vendors, and businesses out there. They had a mobile dyno. You know, it's wild. It's a big event. It's they do it the first Saturday of every month, so it's usually an awesome turnout. We'll definitely be going down there for more. My GoPro died like halfway through it, so I couldn't use that much. So I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. If you like this episode, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. There's a lot more content coming. And yeah, we got Justin over here cruising back. We're just driving home. So that's gonna do it for this time. We'll see you guys later. Peace.